Hello students, today we will going to start a new poem that is about me, which is reading B of your English reader of unit 4, and this poem has been written by Ramendra Kumar. He is awarded winning Indian writer for children. Okay, and in this poem a poet expressed a feeling of an ordinary and average boy and those children who have inferiority complex, and as well as they consider themselves different from other children. Okay, and in this poem the poet explained to them that they may not be talented toppers, but they must be a good person in life. Okay, so let's start the poem. I have not one but two names. I have not one but two names. Hey you, and what's your name? That is how I am known, and I have no one else to blame. Here, poet says, I have not one name, my two names. I have two names. And hey you, and what's your name? That is how I am known. I am knowing about what's your name, like that. And I have no one else to blame. Who would remember someone who is good at nothing, who has, can, or ever will, excels evil in single thing. So here the writer explains, someone say, who would remember, who is good at nothing. That means anybody has nothing, any good thing, and that means he has no any qualities, good qualities, who has, can, or ever will, and excel even a single thing. Okay, and the next, some are good in studies, some boys are good in studies. Okay, and others in many a game, and some other boys or girls in a good in a game. Some paint a pretty picture and earn for themselves a name, and some make pretty pictures and earn the name with their creative work. Okay, through the creative work. Next, but what about me? But all that qualities is not inner me. I have nothing that impress a single soul, and neither talent nor looks nor ability. I have no ability, no talent, not good looking, and so I have no any good qualities to achieve a solitary goal. So I can't achieve any solitary goal. But wait, am I really useless? But wait, am I really useless? No, this is not. Only some flesh and bones. I am not only made up of flesh and bones. Or do I have something inside me? But something is inside me. I have something good thing. What? A quality that is truly my own. Truly, that type of quality is my own. What about that? A heart that beats for others, and joy and sorrow it shares. My heart which is beats for others, and always I always do help someone, and joy and sorrow it shares, and my heart is shares joys and sorrows to others, and a mind that looks beyond, a soul that truly cares. And beyond looks my mind that has a soul and it truly cares to others. Next para. In this world today, if a loving heart is a treasure, that means it is a very precious thing. Loving heart is precious thing in this world. And then I pray to everyone to judge me using a new measure. So the poet wants the other person or boys measured me according to a new measurement. Okay, I have a loving heart and which is very precious, and I pray to everyone for that. Okay, so don't measure me that qualities, all measure me in this quality, because I have a loving heart which that is always pray to everyone. Okay, and next para, next stanza. Don't judge me by how many prizes I never win. Don't judge me like that, how many prizes I never win. Okay, and but by how many sorrow I share. The boy measure me like through my good heart, loving heart, and so many sorrows I have shared to someone. Okay, through that they measured me. Okay, now not by the number of claps. I don't earn a number of claps. Okay, I don't earn the number of claps, but by my ready stock of compassion and care. Okay, and next, don't ignore me, don't look through. Don't ignore me and don't look through. Pay me a little heed. Pay me a little heed. That means give me some hope and smile and make me a friend. Okay, and a little nod, a friendly smile. That is all I need. It's need for me someone make me a friend and don't look me in other way and don't ignore me anyone. Okay, I am an average and ordinary boy. Treat me at least a person. I know I am an average and ordinary boy, so treat me like a person, not a beast. Okay, and give me a name. Give me a name. Anything that you like. Anything that you like, you give me a name and call me that name. Okay, and but please at least make me feel human. So please at least make me feel me as a human. Okay, so here poet express their sorrow and he demands is only that people treat him like a human being, give him a name and make him feel like a human. And here I and what are the most repeated words in this poem, because the poet is comparing himself to others and Here he shows I have no good qualities, but one thing is good. Inner me, he has a heart that beats for others, and he feels joy and sorrow of others, and he truly cares to others. So according to that, the people measure him. Okay, so this poem is over. I hope you will understood. You have to understood properly. Okay.